Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. I just wanted to show you this really cool tool that will help you to either lock or unlock your bowl with the mounting plate. This here, by the way, is the Revo Titan Tilt 7.5 Pro Spiral Dome Mixer, and this here is from Revo Bake. So I'm just going to show you what this does. So right now the bowl is locked. You can see that it's secure. So usually what you'll do is you'll just take your hand and you can either turn it either way. So I'm going to turn it this way to unlock it, and then you can remove the bowl. I'll lock it back up again. But let's say you don't have a lot of strength in your hands. You can use this really cool tool. So in the middle there's a circle. Here's an arrow, here's an arrow. That arrow pointing that way, this arrow pointing this way. And what you do is you take the tool with the little screw and you put it in here. There's a little, I don't know what you call it, a little bevel on the end of the tool, and this rests against the lip of the mounting plate. So you put it in like this, and now let's say I want to unlock it. All I do is I pull it just like this, and you can see that it's unlocked. To lock it, you simply invert the tool, put it through that middle round hole, butt the little piece here against the mounting plate, and now just give it a little bit of a twirl, and now it's locked in. And this tool gives you a lot more leverage with the mixer when you're locking or unlocking your bowl. So that's just a really quick tip. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.